Hello friends. Today we're not just talking about history, we're improving our English skills together. Through this incredible story, you'll enhance your listening, pronunciation, reading, and comprehension. So, get ready to dive into one of history's most controversial figures, a man whose actions changed the world forever, Adolf Hitler. Some see him as a symbol of ambition and leadership, while others remember him for the destruction he caused. But how did a small boy with dreams of becoming an artist rise to power and lead Germany into World War II? What choices led to his downfall? And what can we learn from his story? Put on your headphones, stay focused, and let's explore the life of Adolf Hitler in a way you've never heard before. It all started on April 20th, 1889, in a small town called Braunau am Inn in Austria. A baby boy was born to Alois and Clara Hitler. They named him Adolf. No one knew this little boy would grow up to shake the world. As a child, Adolf wasn't special. He loved playing outside, drawing pictures, and imagining a big future. But life wasn't perfect. His father, Alois, was very strict. Alois wanted Adolf to study hard and get a government job just like him. But Adolf had a different dream. "I want to be an artist," he would tell his mother. Clara, his mother, loved him deeply and supported his dream, but she couldn't change Alois's mind. Adolf's childhood was full of fights with his father. His father would shout, "Art is not a real job," and Adolf would stay quiet, hiding his tears. When he was 13 years old, his father died suddenly. Some people thought Adolf would feel free, but losing his father left a hole in his heart. Adolf started skipping school. He was once a good student, but now he didn't care. Teachers would say, "Adolf is smart, but he is lazy." All he wanted to do was draw. After finishing school, Adolf packed his bags and moved to Vienna, the capital of Austria. He was so excited. "Vienna is the city of art. I will become a famous painter here," he thought. He applied to the Academy of Fine Arts, a big art school. But when the results came, his heart broke. He didn't get in. The school told him, "Your work is not good enough." Adolf felt humiliated. "I'll try again," he said. But the next year, the school rejected him again. He was devastated without school or a job. Adolf's life became hard. He lived in tiny, dirty rooms and sometimes slept on the streets. He painted postcards and sold them to tourists for a little money. "Why is life so unfair?" he often thought. During this time, Adolf's mother passed away. He was alone and angry. He started to blame other people for his failures. "It's not my fault," he would say. In 1914, everything changed. World War I started, and Adolf saw a chance to make his life meaningful. He joined the German army. "Finally, I am part of something big," he thought. Adolf was brave in the war. He carried messages across dangerous battlefields and received 2 medals for his courage. But in 1918, Germany lost the war. Adolf was furious. "Our leaders betrayed us," he shouted. He felt Germany needed someone strong to bring it back to power. After the war, Adolf returned to Germany. The country was in chaos. People were poor and hungry. Many were angry about the war's end. Adolf saw this as his opportunity. He joined a small political group called the German Workers' Party. Adolf was a powerful speaker. When he spoke, people listened. His words were full of anger, passion, and promises. "Germany will rise again," he would say. Slowly, more and more people started following him. Adolf changed the name of the group to the National Socialist German Workers' Party, also known as the Nazi Party. He designed their symbol, a red flag with a black swastika. "This will become the most powerful symbol in the world," he declared. His speeches became famous. Thousands of people came to hear him. They believed in his dream of a strong Germany, But Adolf's ideas were dangerous. He blamed certain groups of people for Germany's problems and wanted to make Germany only for Germans. After World War I, Germany was in big trouble. People had no jobs, food was expensive, and many families were hungry. The country had to pay a lot of money to other nations because they lost the war. Germans were angry and sad. Adolf Hitler saw this pain. He told the people, "It's not your fault. I know who is to blame." His words gave people hope, but they also made them angry at others. Slowly, Adolf became a popular name. So, what can we learn from this story? Every decision we make shapes our future. Adolf's choices led to pain and loss, not just for him but for millions of others. This reminds us that every action, no matter how small, matters. We must choose wisely and always think about the impact our decisions have on others. Hatred and division only tear people apart. The world is a much better place when we come together, respect each other, and work towards peace. Life is too short for anger and judgment. By being kind and understanding, we can create a future filled with hope, not regret. So remember, choose love over hate, humility over pride, and unity over division. These simple lessons can make our world a better place. This was the story of Adolf Hitler, a man whose life changed the world forever. It's a story of dreams, power, and the mistakes that led to tragedy. Remember, history is not just about the past. It teaches us how to build a better future. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories that help you learn English while exploring history. See you in the next story.